Oh, so close. Alright, let's get this, yeah, let's get the DFG, you know. Wait, mana problems? Yeah, but we've got Crystalline Flask. Who gives a shit? We gotta get that damage. We gotta get those one-shots. And I did not respect the Mo. The T to the Mo. I just didn't respect the capital T in Teemo, and, did a lot of damage. Did a lot of damage. Wasn't expecting it. I was walking through like, bitch, I got my E, I got Zhonya's. You ain't gonna touch me, Mr. Mo. And, he just, destroyed my face. And I mean, it's really hard to talk about. Mega Gnar coming in. Dodge that. Yes, sir. Hit it on Morgana because she's got fucking Black Shield. Riven gets Black Shield and gets away. Oh, Teemo. Goodness gracious. Oh, that's doing quite a lot of damage. Oh my goodness.